Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Taxes on producers shift the supply curve and change market surplus fast. Let's identify the new revenue, producer surplus, and deadweight loss areas right now. First, identify the tax revenue by looking at the rectangle between the price consumers pay and the price producers receive. This area is defined by the rectangle labeled P5, P2, and J. Next, find the producer surplus by looking at the area above the original supply curve but below the price producers actually keep. This triangle is represented by the points P2, P1, N. Finally, deadweight loss represents lost gains from trade due to the tax. This area is shown by triangle J and L on our graph. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing when labeling areas. Trust given points and check steps for option D.